Assalamualaikum, my lecturer. Today I want to talk about vector. Firstly, I want intro my group. My name is Muhammad Adam Muhammad Safri. My metric number is F2022. Second, Muhammad Aziz bin Shaif. His metric number is F2008. Thirdly, Muhammad Ifan bin Muhammad Sobri. His metric number is F2002. And lastly, Muhammad Azri bin Aznan, and his metric number is F2015. Okay, I want to talk about what is vector. Vector is an object that has both a magnitude and a direction. Geometrically, we can picture a vector as a directed line segment whose length is the magnitude of the vector, and with an arrow indication the direction. The direction of the vector is from its tail to its head. It's all from me.
Application vector in real life. A. Magnitude vector. Symbol of magnitude vector OPOA. Let OP equal x per y. For three-dimensional vector, let OA equal xi plus yj plus zk. B. Unit vector. A unit is a dimensionless vector with a magnitude of exactly 1. Unit vectors are used for specify a dimension, direction, and have no other physical significance. The unit vector in direction of can be found by A equal A per A, where A doesn't equal with 0. Example of a man is an example of resolution of force. While walking, a person passes the ground with his feet slightly slanted in the background's direction, as shown in Fig. 4.39. The ground exerts upon him an equal and opposite reaction R. Area's horizontal component H equal R cos theta enables the person to move forward, while the vertical component V equal R sin theta balance his weight.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Irfan, and I will take about how to make a calculation. My calculation is about vector equation. Vector equation of the line passing through two points with position vector A and B is. So this is a vector equation. Given let 2 point B, A is -1, 0, 2 and B is 3, 4, 6. So this is I make a equation for A and B. So R is negative I. We put a in this. 50i plus 0j plus 2k. So plus this we make a big bracket and small bracket. 3i plus 4j plus 6k, close the bracket, negative, or we take b to this, and negative I plus 0j. Actually it should be a 0, only a 0, but I just put in there, and big bracket. So will be negative I plus 0j plus 2k plus this big bracket, negative I plus 4j plus 6k plus I negative 0j and negative 2k, and it will be, we put all equation together, negative 1 0j plus 2k plus g bracket v plus 1 bracket I plus 4 negative 0 close the bracket I plus 6 minus 2 close the bracket k. So it will be negative I plus 0j plus 2k plus this 4i plus 4j plus 4k. Okay, and the next will be, the equation is negative I plus 2k plus this bracket 4i plus 4j plus 4k. Okay, so this is the answer is, so this is will be a vector equation. That are for me.
In conclusion, vector directed in two dimensions has two components. There is an information in two separate directions. The amount of information in a given direction can be determined using method of vector resolution. Define what is meant by a vector and differentiate between a vector and scalar quantity. Algebraically manipulate a vector. Calculate the angle between two vectors using the scalar product. In other words, the row of the rotation matrix are the basic vector of the output coordinate space, expressed using the coordinate of the input coordinate space. Of course, this fact is not just true for rotation matrix, it's true for all transformation matrix.